Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to eject the SIM tray on POCO X7 Pro. So in order to find the SIM tray, we need to take a look at the bottom of the device. And over here on the left side, we have the SIM tray with this hole over here on the left side. We need to insert the pin inside this hole so that we can eject the SIM tray. So let's get right into it. And then once you have the pin inside, you can simply push it in so that the SIM tray comes out just a little bit, and then you can use your fingers in order to remove it completely. There we go. This is how the SIM tray looks like. We have SIM 1, this is the front, and of course at the back we have SIM 2, so we can insert two cards at the same time. Now we can insert the card. Keep in mind that of course we need to match the shape of the slot, and you should ideally hear a small click when you insert the SIM card, although it is not always the case. But if it's not like out even slightly, then it means that the SIM card is fully in, and if you shake it down, then it shouldn't drop. And the same goes with the second card. You can just put it in like so. And with two cards, you can insert the SIM tray back into the device. Of course, match the hole. You can recognize which one is the front. If you take a look, let me actually take it out just for a second. Of course, on the left side you had the hole, so you want to insert the SIM tray the same way, and just push it with your finger all the way so that it is closed. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.